Okay, here is how you were to repair a hose. Let's say most of the time a hose will go bad right here where the crimp is. And so you just want to cut the hose and cut out the bad part. So over here on my grinder machine, I just, clamp the hose in, simply cut it off. Okay. And I typically give it a little knock, so if there's any little trash that got caught in the hole, it comes out. And then the crimp pieces are just this, and it just inserts in by hand. You can just push it all the way in. Then come over here to the crimp machine and push it up from the bottom. There's a hole down here, and as you push up, the teeth will kind of open up and receive the crimp. And then once you push it through, you only want this crimp to be even with this piece right here. So this piece right here, it's like a spacer almost that pushes down, and you want the crimp to come up even to that. And then as you take this button and you push the down button, this hydraulic will push down. And if you look at these teeth that are separated right now, it'll push those teeth, and you want to push it till they almost about a millimeter before they're completely touching and closed. So it looks like this. You watch the teeth, it's getting close, and then let go. Right before it sinks all the way in and closes the teeth completely. And the way you get it to remove is just kind of push this whole cleat up a little bit, and then pull it out from the bottom. And then you'll have a new piece. And oftentimes, you can just remove this, quick connect plug, or if it's the quick connect socket, remove it, apply Teflon tape. The way I apply Teflon tape, so you're applying it in the right direction, is I usually hold the hose in my left hand, and then I have the Teflon tape, a little tag of it hanging out like this. Not like this, not like this, but like this. And then that way, when you apply it, I just hold my finger on right here, and I'm threading it the correct way. So and I put about 2 wraps on it, and I just break it. And then that way, when I'm screwing on the fitting and I turn it in the proper direction, it doesn't undo the Teflon tape. It remains on there. And then, all you have to do to tighten it the rest of the way is just snug it up. You don't have to be a hero and try to get it on like Incredible Hulk. I've put it on hand tight, and then give it about maybe, that was a full turn right there. Maybe almost 2 full turns, and you snug it up, and that's good. And then I always test a hose. I always make sure that it does work before I go out in the field with it.